Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a bit different because I'll be sharing with you how I retain the health and length of my hair. I don't do much when it comes to the maintenance of my hair, but I'm willing to share these small tips with you. I relax my hair every 4 months. This is just my preference and this is just my way of allowing my hair to regrow and rebuild. I ensure that I always steam my hair before my next cream session. So for steaming my hair, I normally use aloe vera, the plant-based, aka Single Bible, and the Jamaican black castor oil. Trust me, it works wonders for me. The second thing I want to share with you is how often I wash my hair. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I usually wrap my hair and allow it to air dry. And this is because I know I'm going to apply the flat iron heat to my hair. So I don't normally blow dry my hair if I know I'm going to apply the flat iron to my hair. And this is because I want to reduce the amount of heat being trapped in my hair because I don't want to have any split ends. Because in the past I had split ends and I had to do a big chop. And when I say big chop, I mean a chop like right here. So right this one. So what I had to do, as I said before, to get back my hair to normal was to do that big chop and then start all over again. Another important tip that I want to share with you is the massaging of the scalp. I normally massage my scalp every morning after I've unwrapped my hair before I style it for the day. When it comes to moisturizing, I try to moisturize my hair as often as possible. So I don't normally do it like every day or every tick of the clock, but whenever it's needed, I do so. The last thing I want to share with you is how I style my hair. When I'm wearing my natural hair, I try my hardest not to grip it too tight because trust me, I don't have any luck when it comes to tight hairstyle. Me full of headache when it comes to tight hairstyle. Secondly, when it comes to my edges, them me not have no luck with my edge. Me no know about nobody, but me not have no luck with my edges. Me no normally have ear side, especially when I decide here. So me no normally have ear side. So I try my best for not really catch it too tight. You understand? So if I go style my hair, is either I do a slick back, catch up, ponytail, or I might wrap it up. I'm still not do it too tight because remember, me as a girl, me not so friendly with headache and me not have no luck with my head side. So I try my best for not do it too tight. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!